Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and anyone who needs reliable power on the go, the Firman W01784 Portable Generator with built-in parallel kit. We found this product online and added the link in the description below, so you can easily check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Firman W01784? In essence, it's a portable generator designed to provide reliable power wherever you need it. With a peak output of 2,100 watts and a running output of 1,700 watts, this generator is ideal for a variety of applications, from camping trips to tailgating events. Let's get into some of its standout features. First and foremost, the Firman W01784 is known for its quiet operation. Many portable generators can be quite noisy, but this model runs quietly, making it perfect for use in settings where noise matters, like campgrounds or during outdoor gatherings. Another important highlight is its safety features. It's safe for all sensitive electronics, which means you can power your laptops, smartphones, and other devices without worrying about damaging them. This is especially crucial for those who rely on their electronics for work or entertainment while off the grid. One of the most user-friendly aspects of this generator is its layout. Major touchpoints are all front and center, making it incredibly easy to operate. Whether you're starting the generator, adjusting the choke, or switching to eco mode, everything is conveniently located for quick access. This ease of use makes it suitable for both seasoned campers and beginners. And let's talk about portability. Weighing in at less than 52 pounds, the Firman W01784 is lightweight and features a built-in ergonomic handle. This means you can easily transport it to your favorite camping spot or tailgate party without feeling like you're lugging around a heavy piece of equipment. So, who is this generator suitable for? If you're a camper who enjoys spending weekends in nature, or if you frequently host tailgating parties for your favorite sports events, this generator is a fantastic option. It's also great for emergency backup power at home, giving you peace of mind during unexpected outages. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. Picture this: you're out in the wilderness, setting up your tent, and as the sun sets, you want to enjoy a warm meal or keep your phone charged for photography. The Firman W01784 can handle that with ease. You can power a small electric stove or keep your devices charged for those perfect sunset shots. Additionally, for tailgating enthusiasts, you can easily power up a small refrigerator to keep your drinks cold or set up a portable TV for watching the big game. The versatility of this generator means you can create a comfortable outdoor experience, no matter where you are. In conclusion, the Firman W01784 Portable Generator is a reliable, user-friendly, and versatile power solution that's perfect for camping, tailgating, and emergency backup. With its quiet operation, safety features for electronics, and lightweight design, it checks all the boxes for anyone looking for dependable portable power. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.